So you see beautiful girls here like this one right here. To Africa.
Welcome to Africa. Beautiful pink, beautiful ladies. Chocolate color, dark skin, light skin, everything. The full package is here in Africa.
The full package is here in Africa.
Yeah.
And you know y'all fellas, y'all like that bomb bomb. That's what y'all call them bomb bomb. You see? That's what I'm talking about.
And a small waist.
Small waist, slim in the waist, and fat in the See what I'm talking about?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, Africa. That's what I'm talking about, boy.
Yes, bro. So, you can see how the water disappeared from the seashore there up to this place here.
Okay.
Yes. This water can occupy this whole place, but that it has gone to the deep sea. They are just settling. It has gone for the. It has disappeared from. Nature walk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, the water sometimes it needs to walk.
Needs to walk. Head up.
In geography, they say there are some forces that cause that. Tensional forces and convectional forces that make that water to go deeper to the sea.
Okay,
Yes.
Gotcha. Oh man, what is that right there, man?
These like a weed. These are the seaweeds.
Okay.
Welcome to Worldwide Traveling Off the Beaten Path News with Mr. Midas, the king of travel. Let's tour the world from resorts to some of the most dangerous hoods. Don't y'all want to see how the locals live? Let's travel.
Yo, man, what's good? The king of travel, man. About to go to the beach over here, man. So I'm about to see what's really good, man. The beach in Africa. You know what I mean? Just kind of chilling out with the locals. So this is a local beach right here with a lot of local people. And it's a Sunday, right? Sunday we going to the local beach.
Oh, we're in the local beach.
Okay, cool. That's real, man. Nice over here, man. People just chilling out, man. So we showing y'all what the beaches look like in Africa.
It's Goldie, the king of travel. Everywhere I go. Costa Rica, Antigua, Cuba, Aruba, Guyana, Panama, Venezuela, Jamaica, pretty women in Africa, Ethiopia, Nairobi, all I see, beauty, beautiful women, beauty, all around the world, beauty, beautiful women, beauty.
making it from scratch. Yo, what's up, man? Everything good?
Yes, bro.
That's right. That's respect, my bro.
Yeah, good.
I was out there working, man. You feel me?
I feel so well, bro.
Say what's good, man.
Everything good.
Everything good?
Yes, bro.
That's right. That's right. We're gonna check the beach out.
This is the beach of Africa, man.
That's real. That's
Yes,
real. That's real. Yeah, my
Real.
bro from Mombasa, man. That's real talk. We out here,
Yes.
the beach area, man. You feel me?
Well,
So it's the coconut right here, the real
yeah,
deal.
coconut is good.
That's what's up, man. Welcome to Africa, man. So what's good, man? Everything good with you, bro?
Everything good, bro. Just like being so happy meeting you in Africa, man.
No, coconut is wine. Wine.
Huh? A wine?
Coconut
coconut
drink.
is
Coconut
known as
juice,
madaf.
coconut
That is a
wine.
small one.
Oh yeah?
And just, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's what's up, man. So we gonna get some coconut over here today.
Yes,
My,
bro.
my bro, right quick, man.
Very good, bro. Here I'm Leech Edward. Promote me, guys, please. I have a YouTube channel by the name Leech Edward there. I've
real.
got 300 subscribers. If you can make it to 1,000 subscribers, I would appreciate so much.
That's real,
Leech
man.
Edward. My brother there, King of Travel, just share my link to your people, please. I would appreciate it, bro.
I'm gonna definitely do that. I gotta share my link to my people. I want y'all to subscribe to my boy channel, man, cause
Yes,
be trying to get him up to the next level, man.
Yes,
I
bro.
came down to Africa on a mission to help him out some. You feel me?
I feel you, bro.
That's real. That's real. I need my people to definitely subscribe to his channel, man, cause you know my thing is he trying to build his channel up on YouTube. I came down to Mombasa to come visit him to help him build his channel, man. So y'all make sure I hit that subscribe button. Real talk, man.
Yes.
Madam, the job,
You just made me some coconut.
I help the family. The job give me the salary. I eat the family in the home.
So this right here, the real coconut right here?
Yeah, this is called madafu.
Madam.
Yeah, it's basically known for cleaning the kidney.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the people knows it for cleaning the kidney. He's selling it to get food for the table for his family.
Okay.
This is his job.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's normally found in the beach selling the madafu.
Okay, selling them a down. Cause they call it coconut where we live.
Madafu.
Coconut, it's when it's ripened and it's been
Yeah.
made that stew.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's a coconut. But when it's not ripened, we call it madaf.
call it madaf.
Yeah, madaf.
Okay, gotcha. So basically the coconut ain't ripe yet. You know what I'm saying? We call it madaf.
Do you want to have a taste of the madafu?
You can have a
Yeah, you
taste.
can have a taste. It's nice.
Let me get a little taste of it. Let me see. I think it tastes pretty good. Word, I like that.
You like
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
We're good to go, man. That's y'all, y'all mean that. I'm good right now. You want one?
No, I'm good even.
Yeah. We'll come back. Yeah. Definitely. I'm a dab pretty good.
Thank you.
All right, no problem, man.
Yeah, maybe I can go with you around.
Definitely.
Do you want to go with you around? I can show you around.
Maybe I can tell you more things around our place.
Tell me we come back.
You come, tunakam.
Yeah.
Sasa siko natembea.
What's good, man? Your boy King.
Niachane ndo nikuje ni
King of Travel, man.
Ulikuwa umesettle wapi?
So we're at the beach right now. So I want y'all to
Unafanya
tell.
kazi gani?
nilikuwa nafanya kazi kwa kampuni ya nguo huko mbele.
So what beach is this right here?
This is Custom Beach, Copacabana.
Copacabana. So I visit Copacabana in Brazil. It was a different kind of vibe, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Yeah, so you check my channel, you see me in Copacabana in Brazil. So now I'm at the Copacabana in Africa right now.
In Mombasa.
Mombasa, you know what I'm saying?
Kenya, man.
Mombasa.
AKA Mtwapa.
Twapa, definitely, man. So we over here at the beach, we gonna check out everything and you know. All right, so that's the deal, man. It's my boy League right here. Y'all make sure.
You can show them this list, bro.
Okay.
Yes, everything like we have things like this in America.
Not really. The beach ain't like this right here.
Okay, bro.
So I don't see much people. See a lot of the local people come out here to the bridge.
No, we found
But I know that this time, like on
for
Sunday,
the festival
Uh-huh.
starts to come. That when you come here at maybe let's say at 4, the things will be cool. People will be here chewing cards,
Okay.
drinking, family swimming, entertainment. The acrobat kids are here.
Okay.
Acrobat, yeah. There are a lot of things happening. So like in the morning right now.
Okay. Too early in the morning.
Now the water is gone, right?
Oh, so the water be
the
water be all the way
always
up here.
come up to
Yes.
here.
The water
So
must
right
come
now
to this
the water
place.
is gone. Maybe if you come later, you will see the difference. You will find you find the water up to here. But right now the water is gone. You see all of this. There's always, you see the boats. It means the water is always here. So the water is gone.
Low tide right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
So you
okay.
can see like this, it is like a more deep sea there.
Okay, I see what you're saying from the ocean.
Yes.
That's word, man. This pretty cool, man. So we at Copacabana, Mombasa,
Yes,
Kenya. You know, the Matwapa. You know what I'm saying?
How do you see about this place, bro?
Huh?
How do you see about this place?
Man,
Is
I
it
like
good?
it pretty cool, man. I meet some good people.
Different things and different
Okay, bro,
places,
make it.
categories. The boats.
Yes, we can see these boats here.
You can see the boats.
Okay.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
fishing.
They go fishing and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. That's word, man. We walking the beach having a good time, man. You know
Yeah,
what I'm
we're
saying?
walking on the beach. There's water. So the
Definitely.
water is gone, right?
So we walking the beach right now. You know what I'm saying? Having a good time, my boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Legion out here, my people.
And my host right here. I'll
And
introduce.
Rita here, aka Luadol.
That's real, man. So boom.
Here.
Here we go, man. So we out here chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Making it do what it do, man. Welcome to Mombasa, Kenya. You know what I'm saying? We East Africa right now. Y'all
Yes.
catch me in a few days. I'll be in South Africa. You know how we do it. We all over the continent of
Yeah,
Africa.
we can go on this side. Yeah.
Yes, bro.
To help host. You see how she doing? Okay,
Yes.
well.
That is good.
All right, that's good, right? Right here. You got your shoe on, man. I got this open
No,
sand.
you could have removed the shoe. You know, yours are okay because you can dry
You know, there is no
Oh, you see
money.
this one, the crab?
Oh, a lot of little crabs, man. Be careful. Crab,
See?
ooh, crab. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. They all over.
Woohoo!
Oh, man. They'll snap you, too.
Yes, you can look and how they are.
Well, they got a lot of holes in the ground. Oh, man.
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's word, man. So we're on the beach right now. So basically, it's low tide, and what happened is the water is pretty much done got low until later on the day. Yeah, so this is pretty good right here. Yeah, man. So yeah, we just touring the beach right now, man.
Yes.
And so, man, my boy YouTuber right here, man. You gotta
Yes,
show
my
some love.
YouTube legend out there. Make me to reach 1,000 subscribers, maybe. I will appreciate so much, man.
That's it.
Yeah, the king of travel here is my mentor, my brother. I'm a mentor, you know?
That's real,
Yeah,
man.
just showing on how you're doing that. Appreciate you so much for coming in Africa. And we're gonna shake it, man.
That's real.
Showing people around, just adventuring and showing them on how Africa is.
That's it. That's
Yes,
it, bro.
yes, bro.
It's a beautiful
Yes, it's a
country
beautiful
with a
country.
beautiful ocean.
You can see beautiful guys here like this one.
Beautiful beachside. I would like it.
Yes, just
What you say you see? Hold up. Oh man, we walking in the ocean right now, boy. This is something else right here. This the beachfront right here. Oh man. And it's the beachfront right here. We just chilling out. You know what I'm saying? That's the deal. We chilling out. The real Africa, my brother. Yeah, man. Nigga, I appreciate you, man, for inviting me down here, man. That's word. I tell you, I was coming out here. Man, what's good? It's your boy King of Travel, man. We about to head to Africa, man, so y'all stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? Going to Turkey first. From Turkey, we going to Nairobi, Kenya. Then we going to Mombasa, man. Real talk, man. Let's travel.
Alright, the King of Travel has arrived to the continent of Africa. Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel to get a tour of how the locals live in Africa. Let's start the tour in Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, Algeria, Morocco, Kenya, Ethiopia, Ghana. Let's get ready to travel.